Alrighty, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Based on the title below, you guys already know what we are talking about today. We back with a brand new life update. So, y'all know I like to get straight into things when I'm talking about something or giving an update or whatever the case may be. Like, me here to make the video long and drawn out. Nobody wants to sit and watch a video for however how long. I mean, people get easily bored, likewise myself, so I'm just being honest. So in the last update video that I did, I told you guys that I left the bank. So yeah, I left the bank to become a CNA, and of course it was something that I put a lot of thought into before I did so. A lot of my friends and family members were not happy about the choice that I made. They were like, "Are you sure?" Yada yada yada, and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But see, the thing is, like I told you guys in the last video, I'm the type of person, if you watch my videos and you listen to the things that I say, by now people who watch all of my videos will know I'm somebody that I'm not as scared to make changes. I like having a routine, I like having a schedule. I like to be grounded. However, if I'm not happy with something, I'm not scared to pack it up, get going. Time for come down. Come down. Yeah. While I love being stable, I'm quick to pack shit up and go at the same time. So, uh, kind of weird, right? But that's just how I am. If something makes me uncomfortable, if I'm not happy with something, if I feel like I can do something better, best believe I'm leaving. It doesn't really matter how long it takes, or I don't know. Once I'm not happy with something, girl, just out. Whether it's a job or relationship, whatever the case may be, I'm one that I move along quickly. So anyways, yeah, so a lot of persons were not happy with the decision I made because, see, for me, like, all right, let's be real now, I'm a very logical, down to earth person. For me, a lot of people look at status and a title and stuff like that. Me personally, I really don't give two shits about a title or a status. So a lot of people are like, so you're really gonna leave the bank to go work with seniors, yada 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 yada. I was in a bank with a title, barely making any money, and I was uncomfortable because of the environment that I was around. So for me, it was like, what the hell? I really don't need to be here when I could be somewhere else making more money. I had friends who were CNA, I make double and triple with me I make in at the bank. And for me, it was just a show because girl barely surviving on that bank salary. And don't get me wrong, you can build yourself inside of a bank, but it takes years. I was in the banking industry for approximately 3 years, I could say. It doesn't just take a day for you to really move up in a bank. And just being a relationship banker, there's so much and more money that you can make. They don't offer overtime. you you're limited to a lot of stuff, and the requirement is so much for the job, but yes, still you're limited to a lot of stuff. And for me, the money wasn't making sense. The math, it wasn't mathing. Like, it never worked out to me. And like, I'm just like, why am I gonna sit here and pretend just to say, oh, I work in the bank, or just to put on heels every day to go to work, or whatever the case may be, and I'm broke? Sorry, nah, that wasn't cutting it for me. So your girl went and got her CNA license, applied for CNA jobs, and started working as a CNA, just like that. So basically, that's the update that I wanted to give you guys for a while, but I really haven't had the time to do so. And I've been loving it so far. Like, first of all, I love elderly people. I think a lot of them are funny. Some can be rude, but the majority is just fun, nice people. I love the fact that you I don't have to wake up at 6 in the morning to have to be at work by 7 or whatever the case may be. At the moment, I am a overnight CNA. Initially, it was something that I had to warm up to, but then it turned out to be something that I love, based on the fact that I don't have to wake up early in the morning to go to work. And on the overnight shift, by the time I get to work, Um, so I'm in charge of 21 people on my floor. It's a lot, but by the time I get to work, half of those people are already sleeping. So it's hard, but it's not that hard. It's manageable because, like I said, by the time I get there, things are basically winding down and half the people are asleep. So I only have a few people to deal with. So for me, it's like I feel like I'm getting paid to just relax or getting paid to have fun. Pretty much. Um, I don't have to dress up. I don't have to wear heels. I wear my work shirt and black bottoms. I can wear my sneakers. I can do my hair however I want to. I'm more relaxed because I'm able to more wear more comfortable clothing and stuff like that. So for me, I just feel like I'm having fun. I mean, I guess I enjoy it because it's something, like I said, I love working with working with the elderly, which I didn't even think I would. I've always had a love for elderly people, but I've never worked in that environment, so I didn't know how it was going to turn out. But it's going pretty well for me so far. So that's a plus so far. I've been super tired because, like I said, I've never worked overnight in all my 30 odd years. So it took a while for me to warm up to that, but I'm enjoying myself pretty much at this point. Half the night when I'm at work, it's downtime for me. So at this moment, I would not give that up for anything else, to be honest. I'm just being honest with you. And I'm able to pick up other shifts if I want to. And just basically clock that money. So that's basically the reason why I switched to being a CNA. You know what I mean? The only downside to being a CNA that I don't like, and this is the only part that I don't like, is whenever someone dies, it's like I feel like they expect you to be like, okay, next patient. Like it just seems like it's a transaction. Like I'm a really emotional person, so that part kind of impacts me somewhat. Like since like even at the institution where I am at now, since I've been there, three persons have died, and it was people that I got pretty close to just in the short space of time that I've been there. And it took a while for me to like get over it, and like even now, because they have only died like one just died 3 days ago, one died a week ago, and one died the week before, so it's like it's still fresh. And for me, it's like I don't know if it's because the other people have been there for a while and they're kind of used to it. It's like, okay, Tom, Dick, Harry died, it's another day. For me, it's like, oh my god, damn. It's the first time I'm actually even seeing somebody dead, like in real life, like lying in front of me, like, you know what I mean? And it, it was quite the experience. Like, whew, the first time it happened, I literally ran out of the room because I was scared. I've never seen that in my life. And then I, bruh, oh my god. Anyways, let's move on from that. But that's the only thing I hate about it, is the fact that you have to see people die, or you might walk into somebody's room one particular day and they're dead. You might be the one that find them dead, or whatever the case may be. But I guess there's a downside to every single job that you do. There's good and there's bad in everything that you do. It's not going to be 100% how you want it, but the good outweighs the bad so far, to be honest, and I'm loving it. So I basically quit the bank for more pay, a more comfortable environment, and to be able to have a better control over my life and to be able to better balance my life. Part of the good thing about working overnight for me as well is the fact that I can do my errands and any important business that I have to do in the daytime, because I don't go to work until 11 at night. So I don't know, like a lot of people hate working overnight, but and I never thought that was something that I would do, but I'm loving it at the moment, to be honest, and I wouldn't change it for anything else. So, whew, long story short, guys, that's basically why I quit my bank job. No more heels, no more jackets, no more formal clothes. We getting comfy for the summer, okay? So welcome to the channel if you're new, as usual. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you wish to leave any updates or suggestions, or if you guys want to ask me anything, you can leave it down below in the comment section, of course. Yeah, it's now 3:30 p.m. To be honest, I cooked about an hour ago, and I'm basically going back to bed to sleep until probably about 10 to get ready to go to work. And that's basically my life in a nutshell for now. But the most important thing is I'm loving it. And oh, guys, I finally got my license. I forgot to tell you guys that part, but congratulations. Yeah. Woo. So, thanks for watching the video again, guys, and have a good night. Mwah.